Hold on. I'm waiting. Yo, DPS, get ready to miss Walker jacket din, okay? If they're bomb stacking, bomb coming.
Bomb coming.
Stop. Defend shallow. Careful. Main engage not yet coming. Wait. Defend now. Listen. Jacket in. We're gonna engage west side. I'm gonna engage west side. Yeah, walk. Yo, guard on the choke. Ready potion. Just walk. North potion. North side. Look at northeast side. Everything 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast side now. Nice. Spread only. Yo, help us inside. Okay, ready? Defend inside. Oh, nice. Alright, wait. Listen. Ready defenses. We're gonna walk in again one last time. Get ready. Help frontline. Everyone walk in. Walk in. 4 seconds. We're gonna engage north. Get ready. Just walk. We're gonna engage deep north. Just walk. Hold them. Tanks hold them. North inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. No. No, listen. Spread. Tanks hold the north side. They're coming. Ready defenses. Spread only. Get out of the choke. Nice. Heal up. Walk in. Full defend inside. Walk in. Get ready. Counter. Hold. On the gate northwest. 5, full send it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Full send it now. Nice one, boys. Nice one. Now listen. Stabilize now. Stabilize inside. Yo, kill everything inside. Defend inside. Yo, there's a bomb squad inside of us. Kill this bomb squad inside of us. Spread southwest. Spread. Kill this bomb squad inside of us. Good. Yo, come in, boys. Come in. Hold the east angle. Everyone, come in. Start smashing the gate. Careful. Ready defenses. They're gonna walk out this gate. Ready. Everyone counter northwest on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter on the gate. On the gate. Alright, come back. Good. Nice sustain there. Holy shit. That's the thing that should have happened the first time. You spread southeast. Yo, can somebody break the gate? Smash the gate, Marlica, smash gate. I need hammer. Smash gate. Careful, they might come out. I need the hammer. Careful. Yo, listen. We're gonna do counter engages only, okay? I need a hammer. Does someone have a hammer? Yo, careful frontline. They're looking. Defend shallow. Guard rune. Yo, ready defenses. They're gonna engage outside. Spread, boys. Spread. Careful frontline. Defend shallow. Everyone. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Alright, come back. Yeah, listen. Just spread southeast side. Spread SEs. Yo, careful. How many percent is the gate? Careful. They have engaged soon. Careful. Yo, watch the guard rune. Guard rune my people once that earth rune steps out. Ready. Defend shallow. They miss. Smash. Full smash. How many percent?
30.
20.
Yo, Kajak, 20%, okay? 20% on the gate. Ready defenses.
10%.
Defend now. Heal. Nice one, Leopai. Holy shit. Everyone, northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. On the gate only. Listen. Come back. Wait a bit. Listen. Wait a bit. Tanks hold them. They're stepping out. Spread outside. We don't have CD. Spread. Yo, listen. Spread. They're gonna come out. Okay, spread. Boys, spread. Defend now. Walk in. Tanks walking. Ready your potions. Just walk. Yo, look at the gate southwest deep. Wait. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. I come back. Yo, careful over the wall, boys. Careful over the wall. Come back. Defend now. Yo, listen. Get out of the wall. Okay, WPC dead. Okay, smash gate. Listen. Smash gate. Heal up. Smash gate. Yeah. Yo, get ready. Ready defenses. Yo, careful. Bomb. Northeast. Okay. Yo, smash. Full smash the gate. Listen. Ready defenses. Stick to the southeast wall. Stick to the southeast wall. Stick to the southeast wall. Careful, careful. Heal front line, heal front line, heal front line. Be careful up front, guys. Be careful when you're smashing. Just guard on front line. Yo, do not stick to the southeast wall. Stick to the east wall. Can you like listen, Marlika, come here. Play here, play here. Play here. Stop going around. Like just play here. Smash. Just play on this wall here. Just stick to this wall. Smash front line. Yo, I need some guard runes over the southeast wall and healers over the southeast wall. Tank, just smash over the. Just stick to the. Ready defense. Stop going here, man. Stop going here, Marlika.
Target resetting.
Careful front line. How many percent is the gate? Tank inside. Wait.
40.
40% on the gate, 40% on the gate. Yo, I'm waiting for Regis with full send. Yo, spread. Guard on front line. My tanks are gonna die. You look at the tanks inside,
We
northwest
have
side.
to double OC.
Yo, double OC. Yo, defend now. Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Full defend also. Yo, spread southeast.
Watch out, northwest.
Careful northwest wall, okay? Nice. Heal up my tanks, heal up my front line. Yeah, listen. Smash. How many percent is that?
20.
20%, okay, 20%. Careful over the wall northwest.
Guard run, please, guard run.
Guard on front line. Heals also front line. Listen, Marlika, get ready. Look at the tanks. We engage tanks. Wait.
They looking.
They're looking. Ready defenses.
Pattern.
Listen, west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow. Come back fast. Get out of the wall fast.
Watch out, West bomb.
Yo, gate's broken, okay? Yo, I'm waiting for CD, then I push it, Yo, yo, listen, tanks. Yo, listen, they're stepping out. Listen, ready defenses.
Bomb squad north.
Potion walking. Jacket in. Full defense at the backline. Look at me. Everything on me, southwest, on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Nice. Now walk in and spread. Listen. Just spread. Let my bomb squads hit the backline. Okay. Yo, spread inside. Listen, spread. I'm over here. Find me. Ready defenses. We're gonna engage soon. 8 seconds. Ready, full defend. Ready, full. Send it on me. Get ready. Walk southwest. Everything. Send it on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on top of me now. Then come back and full defend. Full defend up front. Yo, they're walking northeast. Ready defense at the backline. Defend on the backline. Heal the backline. Okay. Nice. Heal up. Defend on me. Nice. Heal up only. Yo, spread southeast. Yo, come pull back southeast a bit. Marlika, look at the choke. Get ready. We're gonna turn. Look at inside. Wait. Look at south side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side. Kill the south side. Defend side. Yo, can we kill the bomb squad behind? There's a bomb squad behind me. Yo, come southeast. Wait. Tanks. Listen. Come southeast. Yeah. Okay, come southeast. Come outside southeast. Hold southeast outside. Hold outside. Listen. Hold outside. Yo, double OC, double food. Hold outside. Careful front line.
Target resetting.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. Yeah, I'm waiting for 6-0 Rigger. Come back. Ready defense. Everyone on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Come back. Ready defense. Defense shallow. Heal up. Come back southeast, okay? Wait for Riggers. I guess 6-0. You guys are gearing, right? Listen, Henry, right? They walk in, right? I will walk into their backline. Can you counter the Zerg walking in? Like the main Zerg walking in. Can you counter them inside my Zerg? Yeah. Heal up.